Science is cool. Don't you love science? How does he not fall down? Centrifugal force keeps him in the loop like a roller coaster. This diver is walking upside down on the ice, underwater. See the air bubbles go down? Acorns open up when it is dry, so they can disperse their seeds. When it's wet, they close up. The slinky is a spring, but when you drop it, different forces act, and it seems to just stop falling. Magnetic putty. Add iron oxide, and the putty is magnetic. Add a magnetic sphere and have some fun. Ants are social beings. They can group together to be a fluid or a solid mass. Venus orbits the Sun every 224.7 days, a 13:8 ratio with the Earth's orbit of the Sun. See how a tight rubber band tied around a watermelon will make it explode. Water printing. It actually exists and is called hydrographics. The end.